Fraktion spricht jetzt Frau Abgeordnete Rodrigues.
Dear Prime Minister, it is a great pleasure to receive you here in the European Parliament. You are coming with a strong pro-European voice, building on the Swedish experience. And indeed, of course, Sweden has several problems, but it remains one of the best examples to be followed in the European Union as a whole. First of all, when it comes to democracy, as you just referred, democracy, you have high standards of representative democracy and participatory democracy in Sweden. Secondly, Sweden remains one of the best examples of how can we push for sustainable development with the economic, social and environmental dimensions together, and also delivering now a stronger recovery with good jobs. And finally, Sweden remains a good example of high engagement with international responsibilities. I know that you are very committed to work for a global New Deal, and of course, in spite of the problems, Sweden remains a very important positive example on how to integrate refugees. Well, let me tell you that recently I went again to Sweden to get some inspiration, and what I saw about this, I need to inform this chamber about this, when it comes to the way Sweden is managing a very big flow of refugees. First, I saw a decent reception of refugees in the border. Second, I saw refugees being distributed across the country in many municipalities where they could find decent housing and access to basic social services. And then I saw very well organized programs for retraining and integrating refugees in the labour market. So this was the reality I saw in Sweden. So these are, and this is my conclusion, very simple and still very humane things to be done, which can be done, as Sweden is proving, and should be done across Europe. So many thanks again.